In order to move the Google Photos from one account to another account, you need to follow these steps. Step 1, open the Google account and select the photos that you want to transfer. You can select them one by one, or you can click the first one and scroll down to the end and click on the last one, and all photos will be selected. Once the desired photos are selected, next go here and click the share button, which is on the top right hand side. In the pop-up from the bottom left, click on create link and then tap on create link to get the link, and then copy that link to your clipboard. Next, now you need to open this link into your second Google account. So you need to save the photos by clicking here on the top right hand side. In your case, you may not find save photos written here, and you may find an icon. Click on that and you can save those photos to your new account. Now you can return back to your original account from where you transferred the photos. Now you can select all the photos that you have already transferred and then click on to the delete button, and then go to recycle bin and then delete it from there also to permanently delete photos by clicking on to the empty recycle bin. If this was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.